Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you a very healthy salad which is made with vegetables which are in season, like red cabbage and red carrots as well. So let's get started. If you haven't yet subscribed to the channel, don't forget to subscribe, like and share the recipe, and don't forget the bell icon for notification. What I've done is I've chopped up my iceberg lettuce, purple cabbage, some carrots and few apples. Okay, now depends on what you want, you can chop your vegetables. Okay, you can add or subtract as well. Okay, but now I'm going to use iceberg lettuce, purple cabbage, carrot and an apple. Alright, I've also shredded a chicken breast which I'm going to use in my salad. Let's first mix all the vegetables along with the chicken. The apple that we're using is going to give you a lovely sweet taste to your salad. And finally the lettuce. I've mixed all the vegetables now. Let's start making the dressing. To make the dressing, I'm going to add 1 large egg in my mixing blender jar. To the mixing jar now, I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of English mustard. Next, I'm going to add 2 teaspoons of sugar. Depending on how sweet you want your dressing to be, you can add more, or if you want it less sweet, you can subtract, or if you don't want it sweet at all, don't add it. Okay? It's all your personal preference. Next, I'm going to add pink salt. Just about 1/4 of a teaspoon of pink salt. I'm going to squeeze 1 lime. Finally, I'm going to add 1/2 cup of oil to start with. That's 1/2 cup of oil. If needed more, I will add. And begin blending. I'm now going to add a little bit more oil. It's about 1/4 cup. And begin. My dressing is ready. I am not looking out to make a thick mayonnaise. slightly runny mayonnaise so that my vegetable gets coated. And I'm not going to be using all of it. Okay, just enough to dress my salad and save it for the next time. Just make sure that's enough dressing to coat all your salad. Okay, so here you go. My salad is now ready. If you like this recipe, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to click on the like button and share the recipe. Also the bell icon so that you get notification about my next recipe. So I'm going to enjoy now my salad. See you next time. Goodbye. The remaining dressing, what I did was I put it back in the mixer and kept it for about 3 to 4 minutes again and made it into a thick mayonnaise. See? Nice thick mayonnaise. The more you blend, the thicker it becomes. Okay? So, if you do not want to store the dressing, what you can do is continue blending and it will turn into mayonnaise. Alright then, thank you so much.